Welcome to August's July Leetcode Challenge. Today's problem is detect capital. Given a word, you need to judge whether the usage of capitals in it is right or not. We define the usage of capitals in a word to be right when all letters are capital, all letters are not capital, or only the first letter in this word is capital. So luckily with Python, there's a lot of built-in methods that we can use to help out with us. So let's think about the three possibilities. It's either we're given a word and all of them needs to be caps, and that would mean the word is equal to just everything being caps, right? So we can check that by saying, hey, is word equal to word all caps? What about all lowercase? We can also check that to say word.lower. Finally, the one where the first letter is going to be capital, but everything else is lower. And to do that, it's a little trickier. We would take the first word and add it to the rest of the word. And this part would all be lower, and this part would be upper. So really all we need to do is check if any of these conditions are true, and if that's the case, then we could return true, otherwise return a false, right? So we can actually do that in a one-liner. We could say return true if any of these are true, or uppercase, lower, or only the first word, else return a false. So let's see if that works. And that does get accepted. Now, luckily Python actually has some built-in methods that do exactly this. We can just add is in here to say is upper, which would do the same thing as what we're doing now, is lower. And I suppose here you would still have to kind of do it like this. We'd say is, first word is upper, and rest of the word is lower. So pretty sure, just make sure that the order operations is right. And this should also work. And I actually think this, that did not work. Why? Oh, that's just a typo. There you go. So that's accepted. Now there is some other approaches like using regex, but I don't really think that's necessary in this case. It's just going to overcomplicate things, and it could actually end up being slower. So I think this is a perfectly good answer. Thanks for watching my channel, and remember, do not trust me, I know nothing.